What's up guys, Rakshan here back with another video. As part of my studio revamp, there is one thing I wanted to change for a very long time. I have been using the JBL Creature 3 for years and it has served me well. This time wanted to try something different. As a person creating a lot of content, wanted something better than the usual desktop speakers. And I ended up with the Mackie CR3 multimedia monitors. If you guys have heard, sound professionals use what is called as studio monitors. They are high quality speakers designed for professional use. The difference between a normal speaker and a studio monitor is its attention to precision. However, they are very expensive. The Mackie CR3 multimedia monitors are a perfect balance between a studio monitor and a normal speaker. It offers studio quality sound and performance, yet being affordable. This is mainly for home studios, multimedia creation, and of course music. Mackie is a known US brand among studio monitors. In fact, many of its products are rated one among the best in that category. Cut open, you have a user guide, thermocol protection, and voila, the monitors. One powered and one passive speaker. Two foam pads to use when placed on your desk. An RCA cable, an aux cable, and the usual cable to connect the speakers with each other. Alright, here you go, the Mackie CR3 multimedia monitors. Each one measures 8 inches tall and 5.5 inches wide. Comes with all wood cabinet. Front panel is made of plastic. All black with green accents, looks stylish and badass. For sure premium build quality. It is not too big or not too small, but compact. Woofers are 3.5 inches in diameter, hence called the CR3, and the tweeter is 0.75 inch. You also get CR4 and CR5 with 4 and 5 inches woofer in this series. Overall, what you get is 50 watts of clean articulate stereo sound. Among the two, one as said is the powered speaker and the other one is the passive speaker. In the front bottom there is an aux port for your smartphone or tablet. Very handy when you directly want to connect your smartphone to play some music. And a headphone slot which auto detects when connected. Super handy while editing. I can know the volume levels. Then the main volume knob with green lit ring that also doubles as a power switch. Rear features all the inputs and options. It has TRS balanced and unbalanced inputs, RCA inputs, a switch for selecting which side you plan to place your power speaker so you get the best sound experience. Very thoughtful. A power switch. Then the usual output slot for connecting the other passive speaker. The passive speaker has the input slot. Mackie claims the speaker is built using professional grade components. Setup is fairly simple. Just connect the powered speaker to the passive speaker using the cable provided. As said, CR3 has multiple connectivity options. In my case, I'm going to use the RCA input to connect it to my PC. This model CR3 does not come with Bluetooth connectivity. If you need one, you can always choose the CR4 BT model. Now plug in the power speaker into the power outlet. Switch on the speakers by turning the volume knob clockwise. The green ring lights up and boom. Alright, now let's play some music. But guys, do note that the sound that you're gonna hear is not the same that comes out of these speakers. It's the sound that your speakers are going to give it to you. So this is just to give you an idea. Keep that in mind. Don't underestimate going by the size of it. They really pack a punch. Crystal clear output, sharp and rich. Sound performance is extremely good. Perfect enough for a medium-sized room. You get to hear all the nice details. Good lows, mids and highs. Bass is thumping. I'm impressed. If you ask me, can I buy this? Well, given its price, I bought it for $6,999 during sale day. With its solid, sleek and compact design, the Mackie CR3 delivers studio quality crisp and clear sound performance. One of the best speakers you can buy that can match studio quality sound without spending a bomb. The only thing that I have to crib is about the color. You get only one color, so if you're very setup aesthetics finicky, you might have to bear with that green. Minus that, this is one of the best in this price range to consider for multimedia content creation, editing, movies, YouTube videos, gaming and of course music. An inexpensive option for a great sound quality, I would say. Consider it, you won't get disappointed. So that's it for this video. Hope you found it helpful. If it did, take a second and hit that like button. Subscribe to TechShunt for more awesome tech videos coming your way. We'll catch you in another exciting video. Until then,